smooth landing just after 9 p.m. local time. This is just a pit stop. Everyone stays on board, except the tech crew, which sees to the fueling. On the flight deck, everyone is busy preparing for the next leg of the trip. They're airborne again in 90 minutes and fly into trouble. Next stop, the Cape Verde Islands in the mid-Atlantic, the place where hurricanes are born. The weather report, high winds. Dimitri will have to bring the big 124 down in vicious crosswinds in the middle of the night. The second leg, a 4-hour flight from Spain to the Cape Verde Islands. Cape Verde will be no pit stop. Regulations require a 12-hour rest break.
The crew of our company, of Point Company,